Okay, so now we kind of have the idea of the swing, the mechanics you need to use to produce the shot you want. So now I want you to start treating it as if we're on the court. I want you to be very specific. I want you to imagine the shot you want to hit. It could be any type of shot. It could be low, high, draw, fade, whatever you think of. I want you to imagine it. And honestly, heck, let's get so specific. We're thinking of a hole out here at Whispering Pines that tends to give you trouble. Okay, so pick a hole. What hole that might be?
So, I guess especially since we're talking about the cut, like 11, the pin on the right side of 11 green,
Yes.
where you got the pine trees on the right, so sometimes if you're close or too far away, you can't go over those pines, so you may need to hit a cut to that back right hole location.
Okay, so we're thinking of 11, and not only are we thinking of 11, we're thinking of the pin on the right side of that green. And since there's that big old massive spine that kind of runs down the middle, if you land on the left side of that spine, you go to the left of the green, the wrong side. But if you land just on top or just right of it, it'll funnel down to the hole.
Yep.
And now, so not only are we thinking specifically about the green, we're thinking about where we're at in the fairway. So you're on the right side of the fairway, you're trying to get it to the right side of the green, and you know that there's those pine trees.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So I'm just kind of making sure we're on the same page here. So for purposes of us being on the driving range, I want you to kind of pick out some specific targets you would use on number 11, but use them here on the range, and then we'll kind of... What I like to do when I'm chipping or pitching a shot, I really like to pick somewhere out on the green. I really like to imagine the spot it's going to land, and then just from where it lands to the hole, I imagine the break of the green. So just kind of pick a spot where you want that ball to land. Go ahead and call it out to me so I can have an idea. I can keep you honest if it lands where you wanted it to.
So like you said, 3/4 of the way to the hole. Let's say somewhere in here, and it is breaking more to the right than I thought. So I think right in here.
Right
I
there?
need to be specific.
Awesome, awesome. And basically what that does is by being specific and truly imagining your shot, it keeps you honest on if you executed what you wanted. So we flew it a little short of our target, right?
Yep.
Ended up a little short of the hole.
Yep.
So it's probably just I wouldn't say power, but it's not using the right distance judgment. So let's just try to hit it a little bit more firm. Just a little past where we were talking.
So I'm still okay with those.
Yeah, no, definitely. They're makeable putts. But by identifying where you wanted the ball to land, we can kind of see where the error might happen. Does that make sense?
Better.
Right.
Oh yeah, those are getting better. So let's just hit a couple more of these. Really commit. You're going to start it where you're going to...
Visualization.
Yeah, that key visualization we were talking about, that'll really help eliminate some mistakes. It'll really cut down on the mental error.
So opted out for a 3-wood here. So my line is going to change. I'm going to try to get it going just left of the pine tree. And since in our first lesson you helped me really kind of eliminate the left shot, and left just so happens to be all water here, I'm going to visualize left of that tree and hit that cut back into the right side of the fairway.
Awesome. Trust it. Make a good swing. Oh, that's money. I mean, you really and truly couldn't have hit that any better.
Drew that up better. I guess.
Yeah, you started it where you wanted. You hit the left to right ball shot like you wanted. So let's get you up there. Let's get that wedge in your hand. Let's hopefully hit a good wedge shot in there and make a putt.